Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are learning to create a Kubernetes cluster in GCP. So the first step is to sign into your console, then it will directly take you to the GCP console. And the first step while creating or doing anything is, for the safety purpose, create a project for anything, so that after finishing your work, after finishing your practice, you can directly delete the project, so it will save your credits in the free trial. Okay, so just search cluster here, so it will take to the Kubernetes cluster. Then if you don't have any previous cluster previously created, it will not show anything. If you have anything, it will show the list of it. Okay, so we will click on this create option. Okay, so we will just see how to minimize the cost and create with the minimum cost. So when you create cluster in the new version, so it will directly take to the autopilot. So we don't want the autopilot one, we will switch to the standard one. Okay, so here we have switched back to the standard one. So just we will name cluster 1 demo. Okay, and we don't want the regional one because it will be more costly. We want the zonal one for the practice. Scroll down and we can see the zone and everything. Make sure it's in standard tier, not in the enterprise tier. Scroll up and go into the default pool. In the nodes one, scroll down, make sure it's the E2, the general purpose in the E2 for the low cost. See, E2 is 2 vCPU and 4G memory, and make sure to edit the boot disk size from 100 to likely 15, or don't put 10 or 12 because it won't make the cluster. I tried before that. And see, I will show you from where. See, it was previously it was 100, so we will just edit the cost from to 15. Okay, then we will go to the networking to see maximum pods. Okay, security. Okay, just let it to be the default one, and go to the automation one. See, it's still 150, we have to make it 290. So these are the all the default option. Now we'll make it to the 91. Okay, where is the, just hold on, where is that option? We just edited this. And networking, where is that? Sorry for the delay. Okay, let me find that. Sorry for the delay. I was just looking for that and it was right in front of me. I couldn't find it. So scroll to the networking part and scroll here down to the C. Maximum number of pods per node is 110. So scroll it to 8. See, it won't take less than 8 because it's between 8 and 256. So put it to 8. Okay, so it's still 150. Then we have to go to the default pool. See, from the cluster to the fleet, then default pool. Here the default pool number of the nodes is 3 and the cost is still 150, 188. So make it to 1. Sorry, see, so it's 98.96. so for me this was the basic minimal cost till yet. So for the just practice purpose creating. Okay, so just directly create. So after a few minutes your cluster will be created. See, it's still creating. Oh wow, the cluster got created, and let's wait for the status. So it took a couple of minutes to create, likely 7 to 8 minutes. So see, the status is here, is showing healthy. Okay, we will click on the cluster one demo. See, cluster one demo, standard, zonal. See, Okay, so here we are in our demo 1 cluster. Hope you like the video. Give a thumbs up. Thank you.